Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to explain about the bulk uploader, how it works, how to upload products via the bulk uploader, and so on. So let's begin by going into the bulk uploader page. In this page you can see the products that are being saved to the bulk. I already saved two products, one from eBay, one from AliExpress. You can see this product has multiple price variations, so it looks like that. So let's add another product to the bulk. What I want to do is go to AliExpress. It doesn't really matter which product, I just want to save product to show you how it's done. So once you're in your supplier page and you want to save product to the bulk, what you need to do is go to the extension, make sure you're on advanced upload type here, and click the lightning. Now you can edit your product as you wish. You can change your variation, photos, and whatsoever. Once it's done, click Save Bulk. Nice. Once it's saved, you can go back to your bulk uploader page and refresh the page. You should see your products there. Now, if I want to upload all the products, you just can select all of them and click Start Upload. You can see a pop-up appear, and then it says there is three products need to be uploaded. So let's start the upload. Nice. Once you click Start Upload, you can see it's changed the status to uploading. Also, you can see it's opened an eBay page automatically for me. And behind the scenes, what you do is basically upload the product. So let's wait a bit. You can see it's opened the product eBay variations. You can also close this pop-up. It will happen in the background. Make sure you don't refresh the dashboard because it will stop the process. Okay, so you can see it's already been uploaded one product. So you can see 1 out of 3, and the uploaded product has been removed. It was something with dogs. So let's see if it's... Yep, it's the correct product. You can see it's uploaded the product successfully. Once it's uploaded the product, it will delete it from the bulk uploader page. Okay, and I can go back to the show upload. You see, it's 67% uploaded. 2 out of 3 products, and there is the last product to be uploaded. Okay, looks like it's done. All the products being uploaded successfully to my eBay store. Once it's done, I can click close, and that's it. This is how the bulk uploader works, and good luck.